Hello, my name is Bùi Kim Vinh. My hometown is Thanh Hà, Hải Dương. I am 21 years old and I'm a 3-year student at Hưng Yên University of Technology and Education. I really like engineering, a big machine, along with my strength in calculation and spatial geometry. So I chose to study mechanical engineering. At the school I am studying at, after 4 years of study, I hope to become a good engineer with a stable job in a professional company, and more than that, I dream salary in my young. Once again, I thank everyone for listening to study.